This ad you are watching right now, it was made from one product photo. No camera, no actors, no film crew. I made it with an AI platform called Flova. And it's not the only one. I made 3 different ads for the same product in one afternoon. And here's the part that matters. I didn't just generate them, I direct them. So stick around because I'm gonna show you the exact process step by step. Here's why this matters right now. The World Cup is happening as we speak. Half the planet is watching football and every brand wants a piece of that attention. But a real ad shoot costs thousands. Actors, location, cameras, editing. Most small brands and affiliate creators just can't afford that. So today we're gonna fix it with one photo and AI. First, the product. This is Vega Mini, a compact portable projector. And is the perfect product for this season. The built-in battery gives you up to 3 hours with no outlet. That's a full match plus extra time plus penalties. It's got a built-in speaker, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And the big matches don't always catch you at home. Maybe you're camping, maybe you're on a rooftop with your friends. With this little thing, any wall becomes a giant screen. That's not a spec sheet, that's a story. Now about Flova. If you haven't seen it before, it's an all-in-one AI creative platform. And at its core, it's an AI native video creation agent. It doesn't just spit random clips, it plans the project, creates the shots and revise them with you. You will see what I mean in a second. If you wanna follow along, my link is in the description. Quick setup first. I create a project document, that's my campaign brief, product benefits, audience, tone and goal. Football season, watch the matches anywhere. From now on, everything the agent creates is based on this brief. And now watch this, because this is where Flova stops being just an AI video generator. I upload the product photo and I type this simple prompt. Help me improve the brand positioning for this campaign. One sentence and the answer honestly surprised me. It tells me my messaging is too spec driven. Numbers any competitor can copy. What the brand should own is a feeling. Watch anything anywhere with zero setup. Then it hands me actual taglines. Big screen, no address, cinema without the room. Come on, that's better than anything in my notes. This is the difference. Most tools wait for your perfect prompt. This one thinks with you. So here's the plan. Ad 1 becomes the brand ad. Build on this concept. Then 2 World Cup ads to ride the season. So let's turn that concept into ad number 1. The cinematic brand ad, the one you'd run on YouTube when the goal is brand awareness. I just tell the agent, create a campaign video ad and bring cinema without the room to life. And notice this, it loads its product commercial skill on its own. I didn't even have to pick it. And from here is just a conversation. It asks me a few simple questions like a colleague would. What format? 16:9. How long? 15 seconds. It shows me the storyboard. I check that the product shows up early and I approve. That's it. No editing skills, no camera terms, no prompt engineering, and honestly feels like briefing a friend who happens to be an entire production team. Then it does the work. It builds the visuals from my photo, animates the shots with Seedance 2.0, adds music and the voiceover and cuts everything together. Let's play it.
Big screen. No address. Cinema without the room.
Okay, this looks genuinely cinematic. The blue lens flare cutting through the dark, the rooftop shot with the projection glowing over the city lights, and that deep voice that carrying the tagline. This doesn't look like an AI experiment, it looks like a launch from a real brand. One photo, one sentence, one short conversation, and I got a brand concept, a tagline, and a finished commercial. And a quick bonus, while we're on skills. You saw Flova load the product commercial skill by itself. Well, you can also build your own. Watch how fast this is. I click the new skill, describe what I want, a skill for cinematic tech ads. Warm lighting, product visible in the first 3 seconds, and it builds the whole template for me. Name, storyboard, style, prompt rules. I hit save, done. That's my own cinematic ad skill. Next campaign, my style is one click away. Okay, back to our ads. Ad number 2, time to use that World Cup energy. This one's an indoor UGC ad. Problem-Solution, the kind of raw phone shoot content that converts on TikTok. And I don't start over. Flova already knows the product and the positioning. I just type the next prompt. The storyboard is simple and clear. Problem, solution, big reveal. Nothing to fix here. Generate. And here's the first version. The whole reveal looks fantastic, but watch the guy. A full stadium just filled his wall and he barely reacts. That's not how a real person reacts, and in a UGC ad the reaction is everything. So I'm not accepting this one, but I don't regenerate the whole ad. I just leave a comment on that one shot. Make the reaction natural. One comment, one shot fix, 0 credits wasted on the rest. Let's play the final version.
Dude, the match starts in 10 minutes, and this TV is way too small for this.
Now it feels like a friend showing you his new toy. The glance at the wall, the smile, the match filling the whole room. That moment sells the product by itself. And ad number 3, my favorite scenario. This one's an outdoor lifestyle ad. Think Instagram Reels. It's not selling the specs, it's selling the life around the product. Same project, same product, new prompt. Quick check on the storyboard. The projection sits on the flat side of the van, no windows glowing in the dark. That's the one shot that makes this whole ad work. And it's already right. Generate. Okay, this one wins. The match glowing on the side of the camper in the middle of the night, everyone wrapped in blankets reacting to every touch of the ball. It looks like the best camping trip ever. 3 hours of battery, no outlet, no TV, and you've got a stadium in the woods. Last step, I save everything to asset library. And I mean everything. The product photo, the approved shots, the tagline, the logo, the music, the visual references, even that blue lens flare style. These are my campaign assets now. So for the next campaign or a version for another platform, I don't rebuild anything. I just reuse what works. Oh, and one more thing. You saw Seedance 2.0 animates our shots today. Well, Flova is about to bring Seedance 2.5, one of the most anticipated video models out there, straight into the platform. No official launch date yet, but the moment it drops you'll be able to use it right inside the same workflow. So here's my honest takeaway. The hard part of making ads was never the idea, it was the production, the filming, the actors, the editing, the 10 different tools. Today I made 3 complete ads from one photo in one afternoon in one place. Each with a clear job, a brand ad for YouTube, a problem-solution ad for TikTok, a lifestyle ad for Reels. And if you're a freelancer or run a small agency, think about what this means. A client asked for 3 ad concepts. That used to mean shots, edits and weeks of back and forth. I just built 3 reviewable versions in one afternoon. The client picks one or runs all 3. That changes how fast you deliver and how many projects you can take on. And here's the thing about cost. A typical AI stack today is over $120 a month. Video tool, image tool, voice tool, editor, all separate subscriptions. Flova gives you over 20 elite models plus planning, the aesthetics and the editing in one workflow for $19 a month. Your creative team and editing suite in one place. If you want to try it, use my link in the description. You get 100 free credits instantly when you sign up and another 200 for every new user you invite. Test this workflow, make your first ad and tell me in the comments, out of these 3 ads, which one would you actually make you click buy? My money is on the camper one. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.